Welcome back to Learn English with Us. Hi, Steve. What are we learning today?
Hi, Maya. Today's lesson is one everyone needs at some point. We're learning how to talk to a doctor in English.
Oh, that's super useful. It's always a bit stressful when you're not feeling well and don't know the right words.
Exactly. Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to explain your symptoms, ask questions, and understand the doctor's advice.
Let's get started.
First, let's start with how to make a doctor's appointment. Here are common phrases you'll hear on the phone or at the reception. Good morning, I'd like to make an appointment. What seems to be the problem? When would you like to come in? We have an opening at 10 a.m. And you can answer, I'm not feeling well. I'd like to see a doctor today, please. 10 a.m. works for me.
So polite and simple. I love it.
Exactly. Let's practice with a short scene. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Okay. We have an opening at 10 a.m.
That's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you then. Now, when you see the doctor, you'll need to describe how you feel. Here are some useful sentences. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. I have a fever. I'm coughing a lot. I feel tired.
So I can start with I have or I feel, depending on the situation.
Exactly. I have is for something specific. I have a cold. I feel is for your general condition. I feel weak. Let's make a short role play. I'm the doctor. Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, doctor. I have a sore throat and a fever
How long have you felt this way?
for about 3 days.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also feel very tired.
Okay, let's take a look. The doctor will often ask questions like, do you have a cough? Do you have any allergies? Are you taking any medication? Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
So it's better to answer short and clear, right?
Exactly. For example, yes, I have a dry cough. No, I don't have any allergies. Yes, I take vitamins every morning. Let's try that together. I'm the doctor. Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Do you have any allergies?
No, none.
Are you taking any medication?
Just vitamins.
Good. That helps me understand your condition. Now let's learn how doctors give advice. Common sentences include, You need to rest. Drink plenty of water. Take this medicine twice a day. Avoid cold drinks. You'll feel better in a few days.
That's clear, short, and easy to understand.
Exactly. Let's see it in context. I'm the doctor. You have a mild throat infection. You need to rest and drink a lot of water.
Okay, doctor, should I take any medicine?
Yes, take this antibiotic twice a day after meals.
For how many days?
For 5 days, you'll feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Sometimes after visiting the doctor, you go to the pharmacy. Here's what you can say. I have a prescription from my doctor. Can I buy this without a prescription? How often should I take this? Before or after meals? Are there any side effects?
Oh, that's so helpful. I always get confused at the pharmacy.
Yes, but if you remember these, you'll be fine. Let's practice a short scene.
Hi, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Steve, pharmacist. Okay, let me see. Here's your medicine.
How often should I take it?
Twice a day after meals.
Thank you. Are there any side effects?
Just mild dizziness, but nothing serious.
Okay, thank you so much.
Steve, doctor. Good morning, Maya. What brings you in today?
I have a sore throat, a headache, and I feel very tired.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a dry one.
All right. Let me check your temperature. You have a mild fever. It's just a throat infection. Nothing serious.
That's good to hear.
You need to rest, drink lots of water, and take this medicine twice a day.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You'll feel better soon. Get well.
Thank you very much.
Let's review the most useful medical expressions. Doctor's visit English. I'd like to make an appointment. I have a headache and a sore throat. I don't feel well. Take this medicine twice a day. You need to rest. Get well soon.
That's everything I need for my next doctor's visit.
Exactly. You can now describe your symptoms clearly and understand advice in English.
What's the challenge for today?
Record yourself describing how you feel. For example, I have a cold and a fever, but I'm getting better.
That's a great one.
If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, learning English is also good for your health.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.